So what is regenerative shockwave therapy at PhysioFit? So it could vary depending on where you have or where you find the technology. I mean, you can get something that's called Shockwave on Amazon. So that's at a totally different level than what we have. And even other providers could be different. It's not, all Shockwave is not equal to each other. So I'm going to explain a little bit about that, about what our program is. So what Shockwave is it stimulates the body's natural stem cells to repair musculoskeletal damage. And the thing that's so great about that is that as far as we as physical therapists, we've been able to help people with biomechanical issues, help with musculoskeletal imbalances, flexibility, joint issues, but we can't specifically repair damaged tissue. We can help to reduce it and prevent it from continuing. But this technology actually helps us to repair the damage. So PhysioFit is one of the few clinics equipped with all three devices that allow us to accelerate the repair of damaged soft tissue, bone, and joints. And the reason why originally I bought just one technology first. And the reason why I didn't roll this out really significantly is because I realized that it's the mix of the three that are going to most support people, because a lot of people have an issue in their joint, they have an issue in their soft tissue surrounding it. They might have something that is affecting the bone. It could be multiple things, and the different pieces of equipment address issues differently. So that's why having the whole comprehensive technology is going to be helpful. So a lot of places just have one of the technologies, which is called the radial shockwave. And that is helping with soft tissue, but it doesn't address if people have degenerative joint issues, which is so common when you have a chronic issue, the way that the other technologies do. So that's why I was holding off on advanced.